How would you like to make your own magical cauldron that has the power to turn a cat into a beautiful butterfly? This super easy project is perfect for a last-minute Halloween decoration. I found these strange leaning pots at a local garden center. When they're turned upright, the drainage hole is in the back. It'll be perfect for sticking the bubbler cords through later. In the meantime, I still have to drill out one more drainage hole in the bottom. Now that isn't the right kind of drill bit for drilling into clay, but since terracotta is relatively soft, it drills through quite easily. The pot is then wiped clean, and now it's ready for a little bit of spray paint. I like to use this little spray can gun, but it definitely helps to have your can turned correctly. The pot gets a generous layer of flat black spray paint. As it is, it looks a little bit too much like plastic, so we picked up this hammered metal spray paint as well. This paint calls for 3 layers, so I spray that stuff until I'm completely dizzy. The effect is definitely a lot more convincing. While that dries, we'll look for a bowl that fits, so we're walking around the Dollar Tree looking like weirdos with a tape measure. We'll also need something to put inside the cauldron to prop up the bowl. We ended up settling with this small basket. We put the basket in first, and undoubtedly, it seems that our measuring was in vain. To combat the issue, we simply cut down the basket, and you won't believe what happens next. It's nothing that a couple of bricks won't fix. It's just about perfect, so it's time to move this bad boy out into the yard. Our chosen spot has a little bit of wobble, so I put my hoe to work. While digging, I found something interesting. It looks like someone dropped their like here. Once the cauldron is set into place, I cast a curse which will manifest within the minute. Until then, these are the mist bubblers that we got online. We run their plugs down and out through the original drainage hole in the back. Then we place in our bucket of water and submerge the bubblers. Now we can get a quick glance at what this thing is going to look like. These bubblers are awesome, but they're not enough on their own, so we decide to spruce it up with a couple of mums and a pumpkin, but still, it's missing something.
A solar light.
This last addition really helps to complete the display, but suddenly, the air is cold, and there's a dark energy looming about. It's the curse. The power within this mighty cauldron grows as the spell that I cast manifests itself into something sinister. I gaze upon my work.
You think turning me into a butterfly was cute? Well, you are hereby condemned to a lifetime of servitude to fill my bowl at 3 a.m.
No.
Even when it's half full.
No!
Meow.